His sharp horns are dangerously close. Out of breath, the bull is unable to take his last chance. The combined weight of the five keep him down and prevent any further escape. Cheetahs don't have particularly long or strong teeth with which to inflict serious wounds, so they must exhaust their prey. Once again, it's the two strong males that decide the fight's outcome. Under their throat bites, the bull loses consciousness. Totally exhausted, they look for shade. But success like this makes them ever more confident.